Hey there, welcome to Blades and More for my review of this Demco AD20.5 folding pocket knife. Demco came out with this AD20.5 a little while back, and it's been getting all sorts of very positive reviews since its release, and I can see why. Comes in around the $160 price point, and I'd say it's worth every penny of it. I would highly recommend it. I love this piece. One of the most distinguishing features on this piece is the shark lock that is exclusive to Demco. Works excellently along with the ball bearing pivot and the dual ambidextrous thumb stud and the thumb hole. Makes for opening and closing just very impressive. This piece normally comes with a black polymer handle scales, but this is the Blade HQ exclusive with the green polymer handle scales. They're highly textured, feels very nice in my hand. The overall length of this knife is 7.375 inches with a handle length of 4.5 inches and a blade length of 3 inches long. So the handle fits in my large to extra large hand very well. Has a very nice large finger choil there for my index finger. And it's contoured for the rest of my fingers. My little finger fits around the butt of the handle very well. Very nice. I brought in a few other pieces here to show you a size comparison. Here is my Buck 110 Light. Here's my Ontario Rat number 1. It's the large rat. And my Spyderco Endura. I have a few others here that I'd like to show you for a size comparison. Here's my Benchmade Osborne. My Benchmade Fact. My Benchmade Bug Out. And my Spyderco Delica 4. This Demco AD20 came to me very nice and sharp. I've got a piece of paper here. I'm going to do a quick little cut test, if I may, please. Whoop. Very nice and sharp. This piece comes in two different blade styles, a Tonto blade style and this clip point, drop point type blade design. This blade is heavily stone washed finish, and the blade material is a AUS 10A. It has a flat grind with a plain edge, and the knife is made in Taiwan. Has heavily textured polymer handle scales that has a little badge in the center of it. It says AD20.5, but that badge or that flat spot is made for the clip that can be either right or left hand clip. This comes with this clip on the right hand side, but they add an extra clip for the left hand side carry in the box with it. Has a lanyard hole, and the clip stainless steel, and it's all fairly deep carry. Has a stainless steel liner that has been nested and skeletonized, and it has a polymer backspacer in it. Looks very nice. There's heavy jimping on the spine of the blade. Would highly recommend this piece. I really like it. I brought in my scale here. See if we can get a weight on my scale. It is 3.6 ounces. Yeah, I love this piece. I would give it high recommendations. Comes in around the $160 price point. I would say it's worth every penny of that. It's one of my favorites that I've come across here in a little while. I enjoy it. Give it high recommendations. So there we go, everybody. I would appreciate it if you would comment, like, and subscribe. And hope to see you back again soon. Let me give you one more close-up look at this piece before I say goodbye to you. There's the show side and the back side. Okay, everybody. Thanks a lot. Bye now.